Today I'll give you some telephoning basics. So if you look at your telephone now, then you will see these two signs. The first sign is called pound, a number in North America, and hash elsewhere, for example in the UK. And you will most often hear it once you reach somebody's voicemail and you want to leave a message at the end of the recording, like in this example. Alright, the other sign is called star or asterisk, and normally you will hear it once you reach some automated phone systems, like in this example. So you will now know what to do and what button to press in both cases. Alright, when calling, you'll sometimes need to confirm some details like how somebody's name or email address is spelled, and here is how you can do it. Now let's suppose that this is somebody's email address. To confirm, you can say, for example, let me read it back to you. It's A as in apple, B as in boy, dot, Q as in queen, R as in red, at Y as in yellow, Z as in zebra.com. Is that correct? The idea is to use simple words to represent letters so that both sides can understand. And you will find below a list of common words in use for this purpose, but you can also use words of your own choice. And you can replace as in with for in the above example, like A for apple, B for boy. Alright, when calling you sometimes need when you cannot hear someone very well, you can say, I'm sorry, I can't hear you very well, or I'm sorry, the line is breaking up, can you speak up please? Or I'm sorry, the line is bad, can you say that again please? When you don't understand what somebody says, you can say, I'm sorry, I'm not sure I understand, could you explain it to me please? Or I'm sorry, I didn't get that, can you say that again please? Or just, I'm sorry. Pay attention to my tone of voice. I'm sorry. When you want to double check something, you can say, so you mean, or if I understand you correctly then, or correct me if I'm wrong. You're saying that, an example could be, correct me if I'm wrong, you're saying that we need to ship out these goods on March the 14th, not later. When you want to talk to someone on the phone, you can say, I'd like to speak to Vincent please. Or, can I speak to Vincent please? Or, can you put me through to Vincent please? Alright, throughout this video series, I will teach you how to do pre-call planning, how to warm up a call, how to generate interest, establish credibility, how to persuade and convince, how to ask questions and handle objections, and more. And bear in mind that although it is intended for telephone prospecting, it's also relevant for emails, trade shows, face-to-face meetings, or sales in a broad sense. Hence the name, Sales in 1 Minute.